This is Michael from SoftwareOasis.com. We're doing a 30-day challenge covering 90 top software solutions for growing and managing your business online. In each 180-second video, you'll get 6 quick, actionable tips. So let's get started with R for Reply. Drive revenue growth with AI. Reply is your AI-powered solution for sales engagement to create new opportunities at scale automatically. The process starts with discovering, then engaging, executing, and improving your process. So let's start with tip number one. Let's jump into the platform under sequences. Everything begins with installing the extension, whether it's for Chrome or another browser. It allows you to easily find email addresses as you browse LinkedIn, websites, and more. This saves tons of research time. Tip number two, create sequences. You can create sequences across the channels, from emails, calls, LinkedIn messages, SMS, and more. Customize sequences for different parts of your workflow to optimize performance. Tip number three, use the AI sequence generator to instantly create outreach and follow-up sequences to offload these time-consuming steps. The AI will generate relevant messages and send up the sequences. Tip number four, integrate with your CRM. Under execution, you can see there's a ton of integrations, everything from Salesforce to HubSpot, Pipedrive, Close CRM, Zendesk, Copper CRM. You also have Zapier, Slack, Bullhorn, Nutshell, Insightly. There's just a ton of integrations. Tip number five, analyze your performance. There's a ton of reporting built into Reply, and make sure that you're using the reporting to optimize. Tip number six, use templates. There's over 100 templates for cold outreach, follow-ups, introductions, and more, customized to fit your needs. Bonus tip number seven, automate your follow-up. Set automatic follow-up emails to go out after certain times. If a prospect doesn't reply, this will increase response rates. Get a free demo of Reply by clicking the link below the video or going to softwareoasis.com/reply. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to see if we make our challenge goal. Over the next 30 days, we plan to cover 6 actionable tips on 90 different software solutions. Be sure to check back to learn about the latest software solutions in AI